So in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can make a lot of coins in FC Mobile during TOTY and some investment methods as well. So make sure to like and subscribe if you're excited for it. So basically, we're going to have a lot of new exchanges in FC Mobile, obviously, right? We're going to get honorable mentions chapter very soon, where we're going to have a couple of exchanges where we're going to be able to complete them and get one of the 3 milestone 93 overall milestone players for free. Those exchanges are not going to be that exciting really, because not a lot of people really care about 93 overall cards right now, and they're like 89 overall exchange where we're going to get like 87 to 97 overall player packs, 88 to 86 to 97, 85 to 97, and all that. And for those exchanges, you can definitely invest in some of the Team of the Year cards. I think some Team of the Year cards, like lower overall Team of the Year cards, are going to go up in price. For example, the 88s, not the 88s, 85s, 86s, and all that. I think they definitely have a chance to go up in price. But there are some of the exchanges that are going to be coming out as well. They're like 93 to 94 overall, as well as 95 overall and 96 to 97 overall. Right now, we do have 96 to 97 overall player exchange. It is going to come out one more time, I think, this exchange. But 95 overall players, I think it's not the best time for you to invest in 95 overall players, because those cards are quite expensive right now. I don't really think they're going to go up that much more. As you can see, Ruben Diaz is about like 35 million coins, and I think for the next 96 to 97 overall player exchange, those 95 overall Team of the Year cards aren't really going to go up that much more, and I think it's going to be a bit of a risky investment. And if obviously Ruben Diaz goes up to like 40 million coins, you're not really making that much coins either way after tax, right? You're making like 1 mil maybe after tax if you buy him at this price right now. So yeah, I don't really think you should invest in 95 overall cards. A lot of people have been asking me about that, and also I don't really think it's the best idea for you to invest in 90 overall cards either, because obviously we're gonna get 93 to 94 overall player pack as well. And it's gonna be specifically Team of the Year player pack, by the way. So if you want to invest in 90 overall cards right now, I think it's definitely the best idea to invest in Team of the Year 90 overall cards, not the normal ones, because when we're gonna get 93 to 94 overall Team of the Year specific exchange, I think we're only gonna be able to use the Team of the Year cards. Maybe they're still gonna bring out that exchange, or they're gonna bring out that exchange and we can use any 90 overalls, but in my opinion, we will only be able to use Team of the Year 90 overall players. So if you go ahead and take a look at the Team of the Year 90 overall cards, they are about like 3.6, 3.7, 3.8 million coins for most of these cards. So I think they're not really gonna go up that much, and if they are gonna go up that much, I think you're not gonna be making that much coins, because once again there is market tax right now. So if you go ahead and buy Brand for 3.8 million coins, if you sell him for like 5 million coins after that, you are still losing coins, right? You're still losing coins because of the tax. I know it's not the best thing. You're not gonna be losing coins actually if you sell him for 5 million coins, but you're not gonna be making that much coins. I think the best investments you can make right now are 93 overall Team of the Year cards, because as I said, 95 overall Team of the Year players, Team of the Year player exchanges are gonna be coming out very soon as well. When I invested in these 93 overall cards, they were a little bit cheaper, but they're still about like 11 million coins, and I think they've got a chance to go up to like 14, 15 million coins, these 93 overall cards, just because we are gonna be getting a new 95 overall exchanges. Again, I always say this in every single investment video, or in every single video where I'm talking about how you can make coins. It is always a risk to invest in any of the cards, so invest accordingly, right? You invest at your own risk, because you can always lose coins while investing. But I think investing in 93 overall Team of the Year cards is gonna be a decent idea. Before, we had 95 overall exchange in FC Mobile, just like we had 93 to 94, but it was a mixed exchange, right? It was a mixed exchange where we could pack players from Rivals event, from Inter Wildcards, from any other event, I think, that had 95 overall cards as well. But now we're gonna have specifically Team of the Year cards, so I think once again we're only gonna be able to use 93 and 94 overall Team of the Year cards for that 95 overall Team of the Year exchange. So you should go ahead and invest in 93 overall Team of the Year cards. If you go for any player, I think most of them are about the same price as the Team of the Year ones either way. Not really the same price. Actually, when I invested in Team of the Year cards, they were about the same price, because I invested in Team of the Year cards when they were about like 11.34 million or 10.34 million coins, but they're not really that much more expensive than the normal Team of the Year, normal 93s, right? Rice is, for example, like 11 million coins, Florian Wirtz is 11 mil, same amount. Barella, they're about the same price. So I think investing in 93 overall Team of the Year card is gonna be a decent idea, because I think they've got the best opportunity to go up in price in the future when we actually get 95 overall Team of the Year specific exchange pack. I think that's gonna be the best idea. Let me know down in the comment section what you think about that. Again, we're gonna have new Team of the Year honorable mentions section, and we're probably, in my opinion, some Team of the Year cards, lower overall Team of the Year cards, are gonna go up in price as well. 85s, 86s, those ones are gonna go up in price as well. But I think buying 93 overall Team of the Year cards is gonna be the best bet for you to make as much coins as possible. And as you can see, I did go almost all in on it as well. I bought quite a few of these 93 overall cards. I already had Rice and Heung-min Son, but I did buy quite a lot of Florian Wirtz's. It is 6, 11, 16, 17. I did buy 17 of these Florian Wirtz cards, right? And I've got 19 if you include Son and Rice. So yeah, I did spend like 200 million coins. Maybe I've got like 200 million coins worth of 93 overall cards right now in my squad, which is decent. These two 93 overalls are not actually 93. They're obviously ranked up. So yeah, I think investing in 93 overall Team of the Year cards is gonna be the best idea for you to make coins right now. When we get 95 overall Team of the Year exchange, I think those ones are gonna be the best ideas. But now let's go ahead and open some packs. I've got these packs. I mean, these are not really the best ones, but we did get 83 overall. That's what, like almost 300k. So I guess we will take that. But let's go into the exchange section now. Actually, let me go into Lunar New Year section, because I think I can open some standard packs and all that. Let me go into Lunar New Year gift pack. And if you go there, yeah, I can open these packs. I mean, I don't have anywhere to, I don't have anything to spend these Lunar New Year points on. I don't think so. I'm just gonna open this base pack first, and then I think I can open standard packs as well. Here we go. We didn't really pack anything. Can I open a couple of standard packs? I can only open one, as you can see. I can open 3 of these though. So we'll open 2 more of these, and then we're gonna open the standard pack, and maybe we're gonna pack something good. We got Kangin Lee from that one. So not a great one again. These base packs are definitely not the best ones, right? They're not the best. We didn't even get an 80 plus overall from that one. That's not great. We're gonna open the standard pack now and see if we can pack something good. No walkout, so probably nothing, not really. I mean, we did get 380 pluses, but they're not really worth anything right now. Should I just take Dudek as well? I'm not sure. I don't really care about Dudek. Maybe I'll try to do something with those Lunar New Year points later on. Let's open some 80 plus overall player packs. I've got a couple of silver cards right there. We did get a walkout. It's not a Team of the Year. It's an icon or a hero. It's gonna be from Netherlands. It's gonna be Dirk Kuyt, I'm pretty sure, right? Yep, 86 overall Dirk Kuyt and 82 overall Rebic as well. It's a walkout, but it's not a great walkout, let's be honest. It's not really the best walkout. We did get a back-to-back walkout though. Let's see if you're gonna get something good from this one. German central mid from, okay, that's Gundogan. Is he Team of the Week? No, he's not Team of the Week anymore. He used to be Team of the Week. Now he's just an 86 overall and 84 overall Pro Adel as well. Once again, not a bad pack, right? Not a bad pack. I mean, should I open this with a couple of 80 pluses? 80 overalls are about the same price as 79, so I'm gonna open one more. I was hoping for another walkout. I got 2 walkouts in a row. That's why I put some of those 80 overall cards in that one, but we did not get another walkout, unfortunately. I can get some like 10 more silver cards though, so I'm gonna get those 10 more silver cards and open one more of that pack, and maybe, just maybe, we're gonna get lucky and I might open like 85 to 97 overall or 87 to 97 overall player packs as well. We're gonna put Kubo 80 overall in that one. No workout again. Yeah, that's not great. 80 and 81 overall. But that's it. I don't think I'm gonna spend any of my players for these exchanges anymore.